First, open your web browser. Then, search the driver pack solution in the search bar. Click the first link. Driver Pack will install drivers for free and solve driver problems on any device. The number of Driver Pack users around the world keeps growing with every passing second. Now, click Install All Required Drivers link. After clicking, your downloading will be the start. After downloading, go to the download folder of your PC. Run the Driver Pack as administrator. I recommended you select the expert mode.
Welcome to the expert mode. Here you can manage your computer configuring in the least details. I have already analyzed all devices on your computer and selected the following drivers. Notice that we also suggest several alternative drivers for each device. Just click a device name and you will see them yourself.
You simply click Install All Drivers, and the Driver Pack solution can automatically detect and install all drivers of your PC. Again, open your web browser. Search Ninite in the search bar. Click the first link. After opening the website, simply select the apps that you need. For example, for web browsing I need Chrome, for messaging Zoom, for media VLC, and other necessary software. After downloading this installer, you can able to install software that you can select above. Simply click Get Your Ninite and your downloading will start after a while. Your file will download within a second. After downloading, go to the download folder of your PC. Simply after running your installer, your selected software automatically begin to download and install on your PC. I am finishing this installation because I do not want another software. You can also check the status of your applications after installation. In this way, you can download and install your required applications or software easily without any trouble. Thanks for watching.